Hey, boss.
Hey Dave, listen, I must have the plane ready today at 3. Are you in touch with IAI Bedek?
Well, the thing is that I can't
That what?
name and schedule. Hello?
I have to have it ready today.
Hello? Boss?
Hello? Are you kidding me? Dave,
That I can't name and schedule.
Dave, what about the plane?
Hear me now?
Dave,
Boss?
I'm coming to you. Dave! Dave! Oh, finally. Okay, give me the bad news. Nothing works for me today.
IAI Bedek works. As always, according to plan. The engine is on the wing and ready to fly.
When you live in an environment filled with uncertainty, you must completely trust whoever provides the services for the most critical part of your airplane, the engine, and be confident in the quality of their work performance, in their short-time consistent deliveries, in their wide range of services, in their substantial and highly qualified workforce, in their experience working with all types of engines, and in their commitment to fully fulfill all their obligations towards you. So you are guaranteed to always receive a complete high quality and timely response for all of your needs. IAI Bedek MRO, where thrust meets trust.
IAI Bedek always works according to plan.